Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing something nice and bright. I've chosen this lovely pink rose and I just wanted to do it very quickly and do a little sketch just to show you how easy it is to do something working wet in wet with your watercolours. Now the golden rule really is that each layer that you add as you're working wet in wet, you need to add more pigment and less water, so a stronger mix of pigment. If you add a higher concentration of water, that's when you get what we call cauliflowers. So as long as you do that, you really shouldn't go far wrong. So I've got a number 6 brush and it's a little sable brush and it's an A4 pad and it's the one I've used before, the Gear Sticker Mixed Media. So I'll put the link above to the review of that paper if you didn't see that, but it's just a very nice bright white mixed media pad which I rather like, and I'm just using Winsor and Newton Artist watercolours. So the first mix I'm putting on is quite watery, as you can see, and it's Opera Rose. Then the second mix is Opera Rose just on its own again, but slightly thicker with less water in it. The third mix I put on is the Opera Rose with some alizarin crimson. And then the last one for the actual rose colours is Opera Rose, alizarin crimson and ultramarine. Now for the greens, it's a sap green on its own first of all. No, sorry, it's not on its own, it's got some alizarin crimson in it. And then the second mix has got alizarin crimson and again the ultramarine. So just using the ultramarine and the alizarin to darken the tones, but using those same few colours throughout the whole thing to make it blend in nicely. So as you can see, I've allowed the green to flow up into the flower, because if you look at roses you'll see that the colour from the flower goes down into the stem in any case, so it gives it a nice loose feel. So this is just a little practice sketch and something that you could perhaps have a go at home. So just the main thing about it is to have everything ready, so get all your colours mixed up before you start, and just doing a little bud as well just gives us a bit more interest in the picture. Okay, so I've left this in real time, so you can see it's less than 10 minutes, so it just shows that we don't need much time just to get something quickly down on paper and have a bit of fun. Okay, so I'm sorry it's not a longer video today. You might be able to tell from my voice that I'm a little bit stuffed up with cold at the moment, so that's why it's just this little quick one today. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.